Today I'm making Pan de Muerto for Dia de los Muertos. This video is in partnership with Food for Less. Food for Less always has fresh, affordable products perfect for recipes like this. Come along with me to Food for Less. I'm picking up cookies, fresh flowers, and all the ingredients I'm gonna need. And I love using the Food for Less app. It makes it simple to save money and shop for both my recipe and the altar. Let's start by activating the yeast. Here I have 1/3 cup of warm milk, and I'm gonna mix in 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2.5 tablespoons of yeast. We mix and make sure the milk is warm to the touch but not hot. Cover it up for 5 minutes. Here I have 4.5 cups of sifted all-purpose flour. We're gonna mix in 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water, and the zest of 1 orange. Mix it all in, and then we transfer it to our mixing bowl along with the active yeast. We set our mixer to medium speed and add 6 eggs at room temperature, 1 by 1. Mix until the dough starts forming, and then we gradually add 2 sticks of room temperature butter, just like this. We continue mixing for about 15 minutes or until you can stretch your dough and it doesn't break. Now I'm gonna grease my dish with some butter. We add the dough, cover it with plastic, and we let it rest for 45 minutes. As you can see, the dough doubled in size, and this, guys, is the satisfying part. We do this to release the air. For this part, I like to cut the dough into 8 pieces so that the balls come out about the same size. We start rolling the dough, and I'm gonna set aside a little bit of the dough to make the bones that go on top of the pan de muerto. And now we roll with 3 fingers, keeping the hand extended just like this. To attach the bones, I'm gonna brush with a little bit of water, which helps them stick in place. Lastly, I'll brush some water here to secure the small ball in the center. Cover them up and let them rest for 10 minutes. For the egg wash, here I have 1 egg, and I mix in 1 teaspoon of milk. Next, we brush on the egg wash just like this, and then bake at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, they are ready. Now I'm gonna coat them with some melted butter and add some granulated sugar. And our pan de muerto is ready. Dia de los Muertos is a time to remember and honor our loved ones who are no longer with us. It's a tradition full of love, family, and special memories. Pan de Muerto is such a meaningful part of this celebration. With Food for Less, I can make it both special and delicious. And I like to enjoy it with some hot chocolate. It's the best. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. For Dia de los Muertos, we honor our loved ones with a beautiful altar. Food for Less makes it easy to bring it all together in one place. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.